What's the meaning of alpha particle? Alpha particle. Alpha particle. Alpha particle. Alpha particle. Alpha particle.
An alpha particle is a type of particle that consists of two protons and two neutrons, which are bound together in a nucleus. It is a form of ionizing radiation that is emitted during radioactive decay. Alpha particles have a relatively large mass and a positive charge, which makes them highly ionizing and capable of damaging living tissue. When an alpha particle collides with matter, it can cause molecular disruption and potentially lead to cellular mutations or death. Due to their penetrating abilities, alpha particles can be blocked by a sheet of paper or the dead outer layer of skin on the human body.